You've seen them all over your feed, but which ones actually live up to the hype? I dug through the data to find the 20 viral Amazon gadgets from this week that are legitimately worth your money. No useless plastic, no sponsored filler, just incredibly clever tech that solves real everyday problems. Let's jump right in. Under cabinet range hood. If your kitchen fills up with smoke every time you cook, the AMZCHEF. Under cabinet range hood is a real fix. Its 750 cubic feet per minute motor runs at 3 speeds and clears smoke, steam, and grease fast. The 2 built-in LED lights brighten your cooking area, and the whole thing is operated by touch controls or an included remote, useful when your hands are full. The dishwasher-safe baffle filters resist grease buildup and are easy to maintain, and installation works either under cabinet or wall-mounted. At around $250, it's solid for most home kitchens, but if you cook often on high heat or have a large open floor plan, you may want something with a higher CFM rating. From the kitchen stovetop, let's move to something else that belongs on your countertop. Nugget Ice Maker. Nugget Ice, the soft, chewable kind you get at Sonic, is incredibly hard to replicate at home. The COWSAR Nugget Ice Maker produces up to 35 pounds of it per day and delivers your first batch in about 7 minutes. It runs at roughly 43 decibels, which is quiet enough to sit on a kitchen counter without being annoying, and the self-cleaning cycle runs in 15 minutes with a button press. It runs for about $150, though you should remember this is a countertop unit, not a built-in. It needs to be refilled with water manually since it does not connect to a water line, so if you're expecting fridge-level hands-off convenience, that's not what this is. Okay, inside staying the house, let's talk about what you're watching on that TV. Roku Premiere. The Roku Premiere is one of the most straightforward ways to add 4K and HDR streaming to any TV with an HDMI port. You get access to over 500,000 movies and TV episodes across more than 1,000 channels. Netflix, Prime Video, ESPN, and everything in between. The remote has voice search, and the Roku app on your phone supports private listening through headphones. At just under $30, it's an absolute steal, though it does lack the more advanced features of higher-tier Roku models, like a built-in headphone jack directly on the remote or Wi-Fi 6 support. It's perfect for a bedroom or guest room setup, but for a main living room TV, you might want to step up to a more premium model. Next, moving to home security, something people are paying serious attention to right now. Solar Cam Pan. The WYZE. Solar Cam Pan is a solar-powered outdoor security camera that needs just 1 hour of sunlight a day to stay fully charged. That means no power cables running outside, no dead battery concerns. It shoots in 2K resolution with full-color night vision, covers 360 degree of pan and 70 degree of tilt, and uses AI-powered motion tracking to reduce false alerts. The built-in spotlight and 105 decibel siren add a deterrence layer, and setup is Bluetooth-based. It will set you back around $80, but keep in mind that performance depends heavily on sun exposure. In consistently overcast climates or deeply shaded installations, the solar panel may not keep up, and you'd need to manually charge it periodically. While the WYZE Cam handles the outside of your house, this next device controls the inside. Echo Dot. The Amazon Echo Dot is a compact smart speaker that delivers surprisingly rich, vibrant sound for its size. Designed for Alexa, it lets you play music, audiobooks, and podcasts from platforms like Spotify or Apple Music, or stream via Bluetooth. You can check the weather, set hands-free timers, and control smart home devices using voice commands or automated routines. For about $50, the audio is great for small rooms, but it lacks deep bass for larger spaces, and the full smart features naturally depend on a stable internet connection. And speaking of creating a better indoor environment, let's talk about the air you're actually breathing. Air Purifier for home. The Shark HP 201 uses CleanSense technology to monitor air quality in real time and adjust fan speed automatically. Its anti-allergen HEPA filter captures 99.98% of airborne particles, pet dander, smoke, dust, and covers up to 1,000 square feet, which is large enough for most living rooms or basements. It dims its indicator lights at night and operates quietly enough not to disrupt sleep. It retails typically for around $279, but just note that the 1,000 square foot coverage claim is for a single open space. In rooms with walls, furniture, or irregular layouts, real-world performance will be lower, and filter replacements are an ongoing cost you will need to budget for, from air quality to a small kitchen tool that's surprisingly satisfying to use. 2026 New Eggshell Opener. This handheld egg tool does two things. It cracks the shell cleanly without fragments, and it separates the yolk from the white. Made from stainless steel and food-grade PP plastic, it's built to handle different egg sizes, chicken, duck, or otherwise. The ergonomic grip gives you control for one-handed operation. At around $8, it's an affordable single-purpose tool. If you're a casual home cook who cracks eggs a few times a week, a bowl edge still works fine. But this really earns its place if you're baking regularly or cracking large quantities at once. Next, a device that's completely changed how a lot of people read, work, and take notes. Kindle Scribe Colorsoft. The Amazon Kindle Scribe Colorsoft is a massive step up for anyone who reads and annotates. This 11-inch device brings the warm, paper-like finish of an e-reader into full-color, meaningful textbook diagrams, comic books, and PDFs look incredible without eye strain. It comes with the premium pen, allowing you to write directly on the screen with virtually zero lag, highlight text in different colors, and easily convert handwritten notes to text. Priced around $680, it is definitely a serious investment. If you only read plain text novels and have no intention of drawing or taking notes, the standard, smaller Kindle Colorsoft will save you hundreds of dollars. Let's head outside for a minute. This next one is for anyone with a garden or backyard. Solar Fountain. The AISITIN. Solar Fountain runs entirely on solar power. No batteries, no wiring, drop it in a bird bath, pond, or decorative bowl, point it at the sun, and it runs. The upgraded 2026 solar panel activates in about 3 seconds of direct sunlight. 6 interchangeable nozzle heads let you adjust the spray pattern, and 4 fixed brackets keep it stable. It costs about $13, but remember that it only runs in direct sunlight. Clouds or shade will pause it completely, and it is a decorative water feature rather than a heavy-duty pump for a fish pond. From the garden to the grill, if you cook outside, this one's worth your attention. Electric Grill Brush. Scrubbing a grill grate by hand is one of those chores nobody wants to deal with. The Drayvorx electric grill brush runs on a brushless motor with 20 kilograms of torque and 3 speed settings. The reinforced steel bristles are compatible with porcelain, cast iron, stainless steel, and infrared grates. The head angle adjusts across 7 positions so you can reach corners and gaps, and the steam cleaning mode softens baked-on residue when you use it on a warm grill. It runs right around $50, though like all wire bristle grill brushes, you need to physically inspect the grates after cleaning to make sure no stray bristles remain before cooking. If you're running a small business or shipping packages regularly, the next one will save you real time. Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer. The Rongta RP425 prints up to 60 labels per minute with zero ink or toner. Thermal printing means the only consumable is the label roll itself. It connects via Bluetooth or USB and works on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS through the RLabel app. It handles label widths from 0.98 inches to 4.37 inches and integrates directly with USPS, UPS, Shopify, Etsy, and similar platforms. At just over $33, it's incredibly budget-friendly, but keep in mind that thermal labels can fade if stored in hot or sunny conditions for extended periods, and some users report that a hardwired USB connection is more stable for massive high-volume printing sessions. From the shipping desk to the home office, this next tool is one of those things you don't miss until you have it. Compressed Air Duster. Canned air is wasteful and runs out at the worst moment. This electric air duster runs a brushless motor at 110,000 revolutions per minute and pushes air at 52 meters per second, more than enough to clear dust from keyboards, PC fans, camera lenses, and vents. 3 speed settings let you dial down the power for delicate surfaces. It comes with 4 nozzle attachments and a soft brush for precision cleaning. It filters about $16, but remember that it only moves air rather than costs or collecting dust, meaning whatever it blows out goes somewhere else in the room. Once your workspace is clean, it's time to secure the valuables you keep near it. Biometric gun safe. The biometric handgun safe offers 3 ways to unlock: fingerprint, passcode, or a manual key backup. The sliding door is designed for one-handed access, important when seconds matter. It fits in a nightstand drawer, dresser, or can be mounted to a surface using the included ambidextrous brackets and pre-drilled holes. Premium-grade steel construction resists prying, and the built-in LED illuminates the interior for 10 seconds when opened. It retails for around $90, but just remember that biometric readers can occasionally misread fingers if your hands are wet or dirty, so you should always register a backup fingerprint and keep the manual key accessible. Next, a display gadget that actually replaces a handful of phone check-ins throughout the day. LED ticker. The Glance LED ticker is a customizable LED display that shows sports scores, stock prices, crypto updates, weather, and personalized messages in real time. Setup is done via Wi-Fi in about 2 minutes through your phone or browser. No coding, no complicated configuration. You can set it to cycle through whatever data matters to you: a stock watch list, the game score, a pixel clock, or custom text. It's priced at roughly $160, but be aware that an ongoing subscription is required for full data features after the trial period, and the LEDs can be hard to read in a room flooded with direct sunlight. Here's a practical one, a flashlight worth actually keeping around. Rechargeable flashlight. The SKYFIRE. Rechargeable flashlight hits 3,000 lumens and switches between a focused 5,200-foot spotlight and a wide floodlight with a zoom adjustment. A 5,000 mAh battery delivers up to 20 hours of use, and it recharges via USB-C. The durable aluminum body handles outdoor conditions well. The 3-lens system adds versatility. One reduces insect attraction at a campsite, useful if you've dealt with that before. At about $34, it's a powerful tool, though using that peak brightness at 3,000 lumens will naturally drain the battery much faster than the lower settings. Something much smaller next, but it quietly solves one of the most annoying things about modern outlet layouts: wall charger and surge protector. The QINLIANF plugs directly into any wall outlet and gives you 5 grounded AC ports plus 4 USB ports, one of which is USB-C at 5 volts and 3 amps. The 1680 Joule surge protector rating is solid protection for everyday electronics. Smart USB charging detects each device and delivers the appropriate current. It's a cheap upgrade at just $10. However, the 1680 Joule surge rating is good for standard electronics, but not sufficient protection for high-end audio equipment or sensitive computing hardware, where a higher Joule rating is necessary. And while we're on the topic of home setups, this wall clock is one of those things that looks way more expensive than it is. Bluetooth digital wall clock. The XREXS is a 16.3-inch LED wall clock with RGB color-changing modes, 6 monochrome options, and 4 dynamic color cycles, controlled by a remote. Brightness adjusts to whatever the room calls for. Connecting to Bluetooth C3016 on your phone syncs the time automatically. Beyond standard clock mode, it switches to a count-up timer or alarm clock as needed. It comes in at just under $30, but be aware that the Bluetooth time sync requires your phone nearby for the initial setup, and the LED display may be too bright in a dark bedroom even at the lowest setting. From the wall to the closet, this next one is the kind of gadget you buy for yourself but end up using on everything. 2-in-1 fabric shaver. The DRFLASH fabric shaver removes pills, lint, and fuzz from sweaters, upholstery, and clothing with 3 adjustable speed settings. The reinforced honeycomb mesh protects the fabric surface while the blade does its job: slow speed for delicates, high speed for thick materials. A full charge via USB-C delivers over 2 hours of use, which the brand says is enough for around 30 garments. It runs for about $30, though you should note that while it removes existing pilling, it doesn't prevent future pilling, and results on loosely woven fabrics like mohair can be inconsistent. If you've ever been in the middle of a project and realized your tools weren't cutting it, this one's for you. 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set. The Saker set packs 42 bits. Phillips, Flathead, Allen, Torx, and more into a compact, organized case. The T-handle ratchet switches between forward, backward, and lock modes without flipping the tool, which matters when you're working in a tight spot. Bits are S2 alloy steel, which holds an edge longer than standard chrome vanadium, and the magnetized handle keeps bits secure. For right around $29, it's a great kit, but keep in mind that this is a hand tool, not a power driver. So for large-scale furniture assembly requiring high torque, a cordless drill is still the right move. And for the last one, this is for anyone who's ever slept on an air mattress and regretted it in the morning. Inflatable air mattress. Most air mattresses feel like sleeping on a balloon. The Intex 64417ED is built differently. Its dual-layer air pocket system and FiberTech lumbar support structure are designed to distribute weight more evenly and keep your spine aligned through the night. The built-in electric pump inflates fully in under 5 minutes, no external pump needed. It costs about $63, but at the end of the day, it's still an air mattress, not a replacement for a proper bed frame and mattress for nightly home use, as temperature changes overnight can affect the air pressure by morning. That's every product for today. Links to all of them are in the description below, so you can grab whatever catches your eye. If you find this honest breakdown useful, hit subscribe. I'm constantly testing new gadgets to separate the actual upgrades from the cheap plastic, so make sure you stick around for the next batch. I'll see you then.